Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mazda CX-5 engine air filter. First, make sure your engine is cool to the touch. You'll need a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver, or sometimes just a flathead. The air filter housing is usually a black plastic box located near the front of the engine compartment, often on the passenger side. Let's get started. Now, let's open up that air filter housing. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the edges or a few screws holding the cover down. Gently unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Once they are loose, carefully lift the top part of the housing. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. Take a moment to notice how it sits in there. With the housing open, you can now easily pull out the old air filter. It might be quite dirty, which is perfectly normal. Before putting in the new one, take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the housing with a clean rag. Then, carefully place your new air filter into the compartment, making sure it sits flush and matches the orientation of the old one. Almost done? Now, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back onto its base. Make sure the edges align perfectly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight and secure. Give everything a quick check to confirm it's all properly sealed. You've successfully changed your Mazda CX-5 engine air filter. Great job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.